Happening tomorrow morning to meet the demand for testing. A new state-run mass COVID-19 testing site is opening at SUNY Stony Brook, and a second site at SUNY Farmingdale will be up and running later in the week. News 12's Karen Pinto is in Stony Brook tonight with the very latest, including why some doctors say the state's numbers don't tell the whole story. Karen.
That's right, and Dr. Daniel Law says that if you test positive on an at-home test or you develop symptoms, you should come get a PCR test so that they can confirm your case with the state. People in the Stony Brook area think additional state COVID-run testing sites will improve long wait times.
I think things are starting to improve in that area, so I do expect the lines to go down.
I haven't had to go recently, so I've heard bad stories right after the holidays because I heard everyone was trying to get their kids back in school.
Jim Graham of Stony Brook said he's had to take an at-home test in the past.
When I went to my regular doctor, he said, wow, we don't really put much stock in those.
Dr. Daniel Law, the medical director at AFC Urgent Care, believes the state's positivity rate numbers are skewed.
I don't think that the positivity rate is actually going down. I think it's stabilizing or actually going up.
Dr. Law says about 50 to 60 people are testing positive a day throughout their urgent care facilities.
Even though they're saying that it's coming down, I don't think that's the case. We're still seeing about 30% positivity rate in our clinics.
He says it's because the positive at-home tests aren't being reported to the state.
Right now, it's only the clinics and the laboratories that are reporting to the state. So that number that you're seeing that the state's reporting, it's only what the clinics and the professionals are reporting, not the at-home test taker.
Dr. Law says if you tested positive on an at-home test or developed symptoms, you should get the PCR test from a medical professional so a positive test can be reported to the state.
The state's opening up the testing sites does help us.
And Rich, as you said, this location here at Stony Brook University is opening tomorrow. It is by appointment only, and the other state-run testing site is at Farmingdale State College. That opens on Thursday. Live in Stony Brook, Karen Pinto, News 12 Long Island.